Hi friends. So since we are almost pretty settled into the camper, I decided it's time for me to start back up my sourdough. So I have dehydrated Sarah here, and so I'm going to show you how I'm going to restart her up from the dehydrated state. Today will just be day one, so you have to come back for tomorrow for day two to see how she's doing and the next steps for how we get her going, get her bubbly, and then get her to use. So let's jump in. All right, so first I am starting with a tablespoon of dehydrated starter into the jar that I'm using. Step is I'm adding a tablespoon of unbleached flour. Last ingredient is 1.5 tablespoons of room temperature water. Now we're just gonna give this a nice mixy. Now I'm just going along the edges to make sure I get all of the dry ingredients mixed in with the water. So I'm scraping the walls and the corners. Last step, I'm gonna place just a soft lid. This is just a cork on top. I'm gonna put mine in the microwave for it to just sit, because I'm in a camper and it's not very warm in here right now. It's kind of chilly. So I'm gonna put it in there just so it's in a warm area so that it can grow. And that's it for day one. So tomorrow we'll do something a little different to it. And I'm hoping by day 5, we'll have a sourdough starter that I can start to use. So make sure you follow so you can see how it goes.